Hello friend, this is Professor Sanjeev Dwivedi, and in 2D array section we are going to talk about the most important program on 2D array, that is matrix multiplication. Now we are supposed to perform matrix multiplication. Now consider we are given a matrix A with order R1 C1, that is number of rows 2, number of column 3, and another matrix B with order R2 C2, let 3 4. Now if A and B are supposed to be multiplied, we are aware of the fact that C1 must be equal to R2, column of first matrix must be equal to row of second matrix. So this is the input that we are given: matrix A with order R1 C1, matrix B with order R2 C2, with the condition that C1 must be equal to R2. Now we can multiply this matrix and the resultant matrix will be, let's say, matrix C with order R1 C2. So R1 C1 multiplied with R2 C2 with C1 equal to R2, my resultant will be R1 C2. So resultant matrix will have R1 rows and C2 columns. So here it will have 2 rows and 4 columns. So 2 rows 0 1, 3 columns 0 1 2, 3 rows 0 1 2, 4 columns 0 1 2 3 will result into 2 rows 4 columns. So it will be 0 1 and 0 1 2 3. Correct? So let's talk about logic in terms of iterative loop. So now how to understand this? Let I goes for R1 time. Let I be an iterator that goes to R1 time. Okay? And see here we normally talk in terms of resultant matrix. So resultant matrix will be C. So in terms of C, let I be R1. Here we'll not consider. Okay, we'll first focus here. Let I goes R1 time, let J goes C2 time. So it is C of Ij. Correct. Now I is R1, so here we'll write I. J is C2, so here we'll write J, because it is R1 C2, and this is common value, so let us write K. Correct. So basically अगर आप for loop देखेंगे तो what we have is, we have C of Ij equals to A of Ik into B of Kj. See, C of Ij equals to A of Ik into B of Kj. So what we have is C of Ij equals to A of Ik into B of Kj. But as we all know, in terms of matrix multiplication, it is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2. So it is multiplication as well as addition of the matrix element. So it has to be continuous addition also. So what we can write is C of Ij is C of Ij plus next value of Ik into Kj. So this is the end result. C of Ij is C of Ij का पुराना value plus A of Ik into B of Kj. Now here I goes from 0 to R1. J goes from 0 to C1 लिखे आप R2 लिखे, because C1 का value 3 है, R2 का value 3 है. And but remember one thing, since here we going for continuous addition also, the first value of Ij should be 0. So in this loop, Ij, we have to write C of Ij is initialized to 0. Like we have discussed, the default initialization is with garbage value. So I goes from 0 to R1, J goes from 0 to C1. You may write C1 or you may write R2, and we will initialize Ij to 0, and K goes from 0 to, J goes from C to C2. Sorry, yes, so sorry. So I goes from 0 to R1, J goes from 0 to C2, K goes from 0 to, you may write C1 or you may write R2. So once again, let us have a matrix A with order R1 C1, B with order R2 C2 with the condition C1 is equal to R2. Correct? So if R1 C1 is multiplied to R2 C2, my resultant is R1 C2. Now how do we understand the for loop logic? Let I goes R1 time, J goes C2 time. So this is I and this is J. These are common value K. So what we get is C of Ij equals to A of Ik into B of Kj. But there is addition also.